How to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide your TikTok account from your contacts. So let's get started. First, open up your TikTok. Go to the profile on the bottom right. After you're there, tap on the three lines on the top right. Now go to settings and privacy. Now under the account section, you will find privacy. Tap on privacy. Now after you're here, first you will need to unsync your contacts. To do that, scroll down all the way. You will see sync contacts and Facebook profile on the bottom. Now go there, you will see sync contacts option. Make sure that this is turned off. After you've turned this off, go back. And under friends suggestions, you will see suggest your account to others. Now go there. Now here you'll need to turn all of these off. And after you've turned each and every one of these off, you're basically good to go. Now your contacts will not be able to find your account. And yeah, you're good to go. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.